Increase the longevity and performance of the transmission in your 6.0 and 6.4 liter Powerstroke with the XDP 5R110 Modified Direct Clutch Solenoid. Your 5R110 transmission uses solenoids to apply fluid to the appropriate clutch. In stock horsepower levels, the factory solenoid does the job. Once you upgrade your truck with any modifications, you can quickly push that solenoid past its limits. XDP's 5R110 Direct Clutch Solenoid moves more fluid at a faster rate to keep up with your modified pickup. This extends the life of your transmission and provides you with better shifting characteristics. Each solenoid is built from brand new parts and is tested in-house on XDP's SolX 2000 solenoid tester. To find out more about the XDP 5R110 Direct Clutch Solenoid, check out xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.